Here we come to the elevator at the brand new living space, which was formerly Sears at Baybrook Mall in Friendswood, Texas.
This used to be Montgomery. Send it to 2. Let's listen to it. This isn't quite loud. Send it back down to 1 and make the bell ring.
Seriously need to grease that door.
Yeah, for a new mod like this, that's kind of loud. Other than the door, there's nothing wrong with this elevator.
Exactly.
It's a nice one.
Now this is where I'm going to do my solo trip.
Oh, there he goes. There it goes.
I'm gonna ring it again. And there goes Andrew.
There's Jim.
There it goes. And that's it.